Yes, how's it going today? It is raining at my place today and there is no electricity. So today I thought let me show you how to work with Vue.js. So this is a small app. It's not even a complete app, just a page I'm going to make in Vue to show how it works. So first we'll follow these commands. npm. I don't know why it is showing me like this. I think I just need to make it a little longer. Yeah. So npm install Vue. I'm not sure if it's already installed. It will depend on the internet, which is not the best as of now. I'll have to cut this part because the internet is terrible right now. Okay, it worked. Now we're going to install the Vue CLI. CLI basically means command line interface. So it is going to help us get some commands which are useful for Vue. Globally we'll install because we need to use it for other apps as well. Just a second. So actually I had blocked up the internet for some reason. I just enabled it and it started working. By the way, I'll paste the link here, this link, paste in the description. You can go to this link, you can see this sheet links and code, and you can get this everything here. And subsequently for new videos also, I'll just keep everything here so you can get everything at one place. I'll also make a donation page here so that you can support the channel. Help me dedicate more time if you like the videos only. Okay, we are having some issues here. So what I'm going to do is I'm using the sudo command so that I have better access, because as you can see there's a permission denied issue, and also accordingly you can do the same, like don't start with using sudo. If it doesn't work, go to sudo, use sudo, otherwise it's best done without sudo. Okay, so Vue CLI is installed. Now what I'm going to do is create a project. Vue init webpack my project. So my project will create another folder and project as far as I know. By the way, I'm also I've not set this up previously, so nothing was installed. As you can see, I'm doing a clean slate. So let me give my project name. It has already taken, so I can just press enter. Yeah, let's just press enter. Yes, 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 yes. Okay, so I gave everything yes and it has started. There's going to be a lot of installing and I have to fast forward or skip the part. It is doing a pretty big installation. I'm just really glad I didn't buy the 256 GB MacBook, that would have been a bummer. And then I went on to buy an iPad with the same fear. I didn't buy the lower one, I just bought the 256 directly. Although now I feel that in case of iPad, you don't really need that much. And maybe in pro, where you do like good camera system, you do a lot of photography and all that, maybe in pro you need. But in the lower end iPads, 256 for me is a little too much. Okay, so I think it's almost done. Okay, so it has given me suggestions of the next commands, and which is exactly what I'm going to do. Cd my project. Now there's another step, npm install. I think things are already installed, so it is not going to help. But if it is not installed, you have to run this. Yeah, I guess it was already installed, otherwise it will take a lot of time. So now let me run it. Pm run dev. In dev mode it will run, so we'll get better logging and like, I guess, real-time editor, real-time, sorry, reflection of our edits. Sorry. So it was not able to open the browser, which is fine. I can just open one. So welcome to your first app. This is your first Vue.js app. Now let me show you how it is working. So like there is a, sorry, I'm a little confused here. So index.html will provide the basic HTML framework, and then the app, it will load the app from the source folder. There are assets, components, and router. Okay, so this app dot, let's start with main.js. So there's a new component enabled, which is named app. That's how you're able to access it. Okay, so if you go to app.view, this is where it is being controlled. So this logo is what you are seeing in the browser, this logo. Okay, and then we have the routers. So because of this, we are seeing the component hello world dot view. Welcome to Vue.js. So let us try to find where hello world was used. I didn't see that yet. So like dex.js. Okay, it called the hello world component directly. Let's try to do something here. HHH. Yeah, it is automatically rebuilding. So when you do HHH, it is not able to find the same page anymore. But if I do this HHH, sorry, is it? Yeah, so this is something that is reserved for you, this part of the code. So yeah, so we can edit that if you investigate further, but as of now, this is how we can change the link. Now what I'm also going to do now is let's just check first whether components Vue.js hello world from component. Okay, this can be fine. Okay, now let us completely replace it with the code. I'm not sure if it will directly work, but let's try it out. I replaced everything. Okay, so there are two errors actually. There has been a little change in the way JavaScript is used in the newer versions, but format document, vector, I don't know if it is correct. Somewhere there's an issue. Okay, so this is where the issue is. Okay, there's something called the JS. Yeah, so this is where we need to change the hello world. Hold on. So if we go to index.js, as you can see, it is looking for hello world in components. Now when we paste the new code, it is not able to find the I believe there is some issue with the format in which it is written. New line required at the end of file. Okay, that is a requirement, I guess. Okay, missing space before function parenthesis. Okay, data. Okay, strings must be single quote. Okay, that is how you solve the problems. Okay, so I'm going to paste it here again so that you don't have to face these issues. And if you do, just read the error messages and fix it. Okay, so now let us see. Yeah, so this is our component and you can see it is working directly. Okay, if you want to remove this logo, what you can do is go where the logo is present and just comment it out. Okay, now if you see, it is even retaining the state. Even after I edit, the count did not go to 0. Okay, now if you do this, then it will be gone because router view is calling the other part of the page. Similarly, you can add multiple router views also, and they will be their own components. Let me show you. You can see everything is their own component. Okay, can't navigate to this router view. Okay, so this is a inbuilt router component which is shared by view. Now what I'm thinking is you can also use this. So let me just hello world. So this is working. That's it for the video. You can check the code here, and I'm going to do other things in next new videos which I'll paste here. So the newer videos will come at the top because I'll push everything down, other things down. So stay tuned, and until then, goodbye, take care, and have an awesome